At a press briefing held at the Congress Bhavan, Shillong today, the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee announced that the party has intensified its nationwide signature campaign protesting what it described as, quote, boat shows and gun shows, unquote, symbolizing alleged electoral malpractice and misuse of power under the current regime. MPCC Working President Deborah C. Marak informed that the campaign, initiated under directives from the All India Congress Committee, is being implemented at multiple levels at the national, state, district and block levels and has received strong public response. She said that over 10,000 signatures have been collected so far in Meghalaya, expressing gratitude to citizens for their support.
That is nation-wide boat show signature campaign. We are doing it in the state level. We are doing it in headquarters Shillong, and we have connected down to the district level. We are doing it at district level, and also we have gone down to the block level. And everybody, they are supporting, they are signing this Chori signature campaign. Till now, I think how many? 10,000 people they have already signed, they have supported. That's why today we would like to thank on behalf of the party those who really supported, signed against this boat chore and gun chore. That's why today we have called you just to apprise of this. And we have part to it. We have cooperated, we have done it up to 10,000 signature we have achieved today. So thank you once again for your participation.
MPCC spokesperson Manuel Badwar stressed the need for greater public vigilance in defending democratic values, noting that the campaign seeks to highlight the growing threats to India's democratic institutions. He observed that the democratic process itself is at risk if power continues to concentrate in the hands of a few. Manuel Badwar also alleged that widespread irregularities in voter registration and deletion have occurred, claiming that such practices were aimed at keeping the BJP in power. He also criticized sections of the media, describing them as biased in favor of the ruling party and alleged them of undermining constitutional principles. Referring to the national campaign led by Rahul Gandhi, Badwar stated that it has been instrumental in drawing attention to these issues. He said the Congress would continue to mobilize public opinion and encourage citizens to actively participate in safeguarding the democratic process.
I think our leader, Shri Rahul Gandhi, had been very vehemently pursuing this. And I think it's a very important critical thing, and I believe that the public at large especially should have this level of understanding that, it is the entire democratic process itself which is at stake. So we don't want to become a country which is authoritarian in nature. We don't want a country which is being controlled by only a few. The power should still exist with the public at large. When we say that the power should still exist with the public at large, we believe that there's widespread malpractice when it comes to how votes are being registered, how votes are being deleted, how people travel from one place to the other just to ensure that the BJP stays in power. And as you've noticed that many a time in many elections, the actual voice of the people is not being heard anymore. So you have the media houses, especially what we call as a body media, which is kind of propagating certain sections which is obviously against the constitution and against the democratic process. So the point is, we have seen that the campaign by Shri Rahul Gandhi has been very aggressive. He had been very, very vocal. In fact, just a few days back, all of you would have noticed that memes has been created overnight that it is not the Gujarat model, it has become a Brazilian model, which means that people have shamelessly used even photographs of individuals which are not from the country just to register their votes, and in the process of that they are trying to undermine the entire process of the Election Commission. Now, the Election Commission also from time to time keeps on telling everybody that they are not wrong. So if they are not wrong, at least it should come clean. We believe that if these evidences keep on popping up, and from the Congress party especially, Shri Rahul Gandhi has been vehemently saying about this. We believe that this is something which cannot be taken for granted. So whether it's in the state of Meghalaya, or whether it's in the state of Karnataka, or whether it's in the state of Maharashtra, it doesn't matter. But what matters is that the entire election process is under question. And this is something which is very important because the manipulation is happening at a very large scale. And because of this manipulation, you've all noticed that even in Bihar, around 60 lakhs people, voters were deleted. It's a very big number. You've seen the particular constituency in Karnataka where only one constituency with 6 lakhs voters, 1 lakh voters were deleted and manipulated rather. So these kind of things I think is very critical. So even at the state level we have obviously pledged, and I'm saying it has come as a direction from AICC, we have done a pledge saying that we also will contribute to the voice that is against this vote chori. The idea is we have managed somehow, at least from the state of Meghalaya, by going from block to block, and 10,000 people have registered their protest in the form of a signature. We are continuing this campaign, so more people every day, around 1,000, especially nowadays is picking up, so around 300-400 leads coming back to the Congress office. And we believe that the people of Meghalaya should not take this too lightly also, because please understand that we are not trying to question anything. We are trying to question the entire democratic process of the country. We've seen countries that have gone into authoritarian kind of a process. For example, we know for sure what Russia is all about, and countries like China and so on and so forth. And it is just something which is totally against what the constitution is all about, and totally about the democratic process is all about. So we thank, and we'd like to share through the media and raise more awareness amongst the public at large, especially in Meghalaya. If at all you believe that the future of your children, the future of the state, the future of our people is supposed to be, and the power is supposed to be kept with the public at large, which means that the public has a right to vote, the public has a right to take government out and bring new government and ensure that the entire democratic process is alive, then we urge everybody to come forward and raise your protest in some way or the other. The signature campaign is also very important thing, but it's also important that we stay vigilant. We stay vigilant at each and every constituency. We look at things that are happening which is not right. We should understand that, come what may, the BJP will try its level best to rear its ugly face even here in Meghalaya, and we believe we should put a stop to that and not allow such things to happen.